Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to be trying Polygel. So it's been a minute since I have tried Polygel. This is the first type of nail material that I used when I started doing nails 3 years ago. I did use them with dual forms, so it's a little bit different, but still the same material. So I'm going to use the McCart brand Polygel or nail extension gel. And I'm going to use the gelish Polygel slip solution. You can also use alcohol, but I did pick this up at my nail supply store a while ago, and this was kind of expensive, so I don't even think it works that good. We're just going to keep trying. Let me know if you've used either one of these or what you use if you do Polygel. I have my little dish for my slip solution, my practice finger from Amazon, and I already have a nail tip in and ready to go. And I'm gonna use my Young Nails Pro Gel Sculptor brush, and this came in the mystery box from 2022, large size, and I really like it because it actually, you can just be careful with the bristles, but you can just cover it so that way it doesn't get damaged. You can use a small one, or you can put it on here and then use kind of the bigger size brush. I also have some lint-free wipes and my swipe just in case. All right, so let's get ready. I'm just going to open up my little bottle here, and it's funny because I've been wondering what my next videos are gonna be, and last night I don't know if I dreamt it or the idea came to me somehow, but I think I dreamt it, to be honest. I dreamt about doing a video of me trying Polygel again, so when I woke up I was super excited. So it's a little dusty, it's okay. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to get a small bead, and this bead, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab a nail tip and just scoop it off. Now, this bead is going to be my kind of like adhesion bead. So let's just kind of try it out and see how it goes. So I'm just gonna put that to the side. I'm gonna get my a little lint-free pad here that I'm gonna try to absorb it on. So remember, you don't want to do too much liquid. So I'm gonna, it's very sticky, and I'm gonna try to just do a little slip, so like a not slip solution, I'm gonna do like a slip layer. And oh my god, this is just so strange to work with because I'm just used to like acrylic, and you have, a certain amount of time to work with it. But for this, it's like you have all the time that you need to really just perfect it. And I'm just gonna make it nice and smooth on the cuticle area. And it's a little bit hard to see with the clear, but I'm just kind of trying it out in this method because, like I mentioned before, when I was doing Polygel, when I first started doing nails, I was doing dual form. So you just put it in the little form, or the little like cubby, and you stick it on the nail, you cure it, and then you take the little cubby, it's not a cubby, but that's what I thought of, and you just, take it off. So it's a little bit different. You're not actually molding it. So for this, I'm just going to drag it, and this is actually going a lot better than I kind of thought. So I'm just trying to do one thin layer of the product, And hopefully you can kind of see as I'm wiping it. And this is going a lot better than I thought. And I'm just trying to get this bead to, oh, you probably can't tell, but it's like right there. I'm gonna zoom in just a bit now that you kind of see the motion. Let me zoom in so you can really see what I'm doing. But I'm just trying to get this bead all the way down to the tip as if I were just like encapsulating the nail, but I'm just doing like a slip layer or like an adhesion layer to this nail. And I think that's probably gonna be the farthest I can get it. I'm just trying to make it thin so that it's not like a lump. And then we're gonna go in and actually build the nail. So I think that's good. I don't think you can stretch any more than that. I think that's all right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to, it's not super smooth, but I'm just going to flash cure it. I'm just gonna, for video purposes, I'm just gonna grab my Young Nails light and I'm gonna cure it under, let me move everything, moving my brush, moving this, and I'm just gonna cure it under my light. And you can see like where I stopped it, where I didn't have enough, but I really just wanted the cuticle area to be nice and seamless for this purpose. So let's see how the rest of this, oh, I think it got stuck, how it goes. So I'm just gonna do a little flash cure and then I'm gonna do another little layer and hopefully it is better. But yeah, I guess this is gonna be similar to using gel, and I'm gonna probably do another little trial video with my Young Nails gels that came in with the 2022 kit as well. You hear that? I think it's cured. It just has like a little sticky layer on it. I don't know if you can tell that I scratched it. Okay, so I'm nervous. Now we're going to do a bigger bead. So I'm gonna take this off, and it says here it's like very excellent transparency, sheer coverage. So it's supposed to be very transparent, translucent. So I'm gonna take a big bead, and we got a little bubble there. I'm just gonna, yeah, no, I'm doing a video. Okay, so we're gonna grab a bigger bead, and I don't know why I'm like kind of nervous to do it. I'm just gonna stick a blob on however it falls, and it's just kind of sticky. Like, I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be. Okay, so we don't want it that thick at the cuticle. I'm just trying to see if I can get like the shape to it, so that way it's, you know, as if I'm encapsulating it, but maybe we don't need that much at first. And I can already tell that there's a bubble there. So maybe less is better and just doing it in layers. And then it's kind of hard to tell too because I'm doing too much liquid. It's kind of hard to tell too because it's clear, so you can't really see too well, but you see, I'm just trying to get these edges nice and covered. And then if anything, we can just smooth it out afterwards with our file. And I don't know, maybe acrylic is the only one that's kind of more, not harder to file, but you know, it's tougher. So you have to kind of spend more time filing it compared to gels. Maybe that's the the thing. So I'm just trying to have it be smooth so that way I don't have to file too much, but you can see like that little area there. I'm just gonna leave it like that little, see there? You don't see it? Now you see it. Because I'm just practicing, so I'm not really trying to get it too perfect. I'm just trying to get used to this product. Because I want to expand my abilities. So I'm gonna have to hold it down like this and just make sure that the sides are covered, and if it's not like 100%, then that's okay. But I'm just trying to smooth it out. Let me get more in frame here. And then if there's any excess, then I know how to kind of to eyeball it for next time. Now I don't want it too thick, especially at the tip. So the smoothest I can get it, you see it's a little lumpy. And I'm kind of pressing down more with more liquid just to get that smoother kind of layer. And what I might do is I'm gonna just take this off, and this is how much extra we have. And then I think that's good. You see it's a little flat still, but it's just, you know, a start. And not that much bubbles. Okay, so I'm gonna put this to the side real quick. I'm gonna set this down, hopefully it doesn't fall. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of these jars. Where are my jars? I'm gonna take these jars from the, let me zoom back out. I'm gonna take one of these jars from the Young Nails. Oh, good. What did I do? Okay, we're good, we're good. It's not really smooth. Okay, let me stand it up like this to see if that's better. So I'm gonna take one of these jars and I'm just going to put, because I can't put it back in that tube, so I'm just gonna put it in here. And then if I need more, I don't know if that's gonna dry it out. It's clear, so I'm gonna have to put it in the dark. So we'll see how that goes. I'm not too worried about it. Let me clean off my brush, and I'm gonna do one final like swipe down this way. And I can just tell that it's not super even. I'm just trying to get it as even as I can before I cure it. I think that's pretty good though. Patting it seems to work too, to kind of even it out. Do a little bit right here. Yeah, that seems to be better. Now I'm going to take more liquid and just brush it out. And now it's, you can see by the light, the reflection, it's a little bit more smooth. Okay, so I think that's good. I'm going to move my brush out of the way and just clean off the tip a little bit. Move this away just in case, and then I'm going to flash cure it. And I think that we're good. I think that we're good. There is that bubble that I was telling you about, but we'll look at the finished product in a minute. I'm just taking a look at it, and it's pretty smooth from the get-go. Not too thick. I don't know if this is enough to have strength, especially with a length like this, but we're not really doing any type of length here really. We're just sort of trying it out and seeing if this is gonna be easy to do or not. And I really like it because it's not super gooey. Okay, so I'm just moving this to the side, and these are the gels that came in the kit for the young nails, and I'm gonna be trying these next. So I think it's dry. Let me try it like this. Yep, it's dried, cured. And what do you think? Is it really, really clear? Yeah, it's pretty clear. I mean, it's not like glass-like. There's some bubbles, but we're just gonna have to, I think it's because when I squeezed it out of the tube, there was a bubble. So that could have been that bubble. But for the most part, it's pretty translucent. Not a lot of bubbles. Seamless cuticle. Looks pretty good. All right, guys, I just wanted to try it out and kind of get a little bit more used to it. I'm going to play around with it a little bit more, and then in my next video I'm going to be trying these out. I'm probably going to use the concealer pink just because you can see it. These are all clear except for the Build pink is more of like a clear pink, but this is more of a pink color. So I'm going to try this one just so you can see it, and then we'll try these out as well. So thank you for watching. Let me know if you use Polygel or products you recommend. There is one that I want to try from Nail Career Education. Her, what does she call it? Easy Gel. It looks so easy to sculpt with it. So I want to try it out. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.